Good morning, students. So I wanted to add some things about gravity and mass and weight. I think it's really important to really understand these things. So if you want to, go ahead and maybe find a piece of scratch paper you can write in your composition journal that's in your cubby, or something, maybe just a few notes about what I'm about to say, and then you can go back to slides 5 and 6 and add a little bit to what you have written there. So important points to add to slide 5 about gravity. Gravity is a force, so it's a pull. So gravity, we are actually, while we're on Earth, we are pulled towards the center of the Earth. And so that's why you can be anywhere on the globe, on the sphere of the Earth, and you're being pulled, it feels like you're being pulled down because, right, that's up and that's down, but really down is just the center of the planet. And so if we're on the bottom of the earth, like in Australia or the Antarctica, then when we're there, we're being pulled to the center of the earth, so it still feels like we're being pulled down. Um, Now, slide 6 is about mass and weight and the difference between mass and weight. And so when we're talking about the difference between mass and weight, right, the more mass something has, the more gravity or the more gravitational pull that you're going to feel on that planet or that mass. And so we can think of the example of like a beach ball versus a bowling ball, right? That a beach ball is full of air, you blow it up and it's just really thin plastic, right? If I can throw that in the air and it comes down pretty slowly and I can hit it really easily into the air. But a bowling ball, throwing a bowling ball into the air is a lot harder because it feels a lot heavier. Well, that's because it has more mass inside of it. It's not just empty air that's inside the bowling ball. It's solid and it's really, really lots of mass and matter inside that bowling ball. And so that's why the beach ball feels lighter, is because there's less gravitational pull that it is experiencing because it just doesn't have as much matter inside of it. So go ahead and go back to those slides and add maybe a few notes about what I said to those slides. And then don't forget to turn in this slideshow using the URL link from the share button and pasting it into Canvas.